Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best long-range drone. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We rank the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, CLL. Model number, SG908. With 5G Wi-Fi function can be connected app, take pictures video, real-time transmission through the phone camera image. GPS-assisted flight provides you with accurate positioning details of your drone. The drone will automatically return to home precisely when its battery is low or the signal is weak when flying out of range, never worrying about losing the drone. 18 minutes maximum flight time. The high-capacity 7.4-volt 1600 mAh intelligent battery yields up to 18 minutes flight time. Follow me mode. The drone will automatically follows and captures you wherever you move. Number 4. Brand name, Antenna. Model number, RG101. The optimized Full HD camera built with shock absorption holder ensures shooting 4096 into 3072 pixel high-resolution images and videos without camera vibration. Never lose the drone. It returns automatically whenever battery is low, signal is lost or you press one key return. The two intelligent batteries works for 25 minutes per battery for each charge. 50 minutes in total with two batteries. The foldable design and well-fitted carrying case make it easy to take the drone outdoor. With their optical flow and air pressure altitude control system, the drone can hover stably both indoor and outdoor. Number 3. Brand name, HKNA. Model number, KF101. The KF101 foldable drone equipped with 4K HD camera with 120 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable provides a high-resolution picture, able to capture a perfect shot. 5 GHz FPV transmission delivery a smooth and stable videos even in high speed or strong wind conditions. Brushless motor with aviation propellers for high aerodynamic efficiency, which is more quiet and longevous than a brushed motor. Better flight experience. High-capacity battery give you up to 30 minutes flight experience. So easy to beginners or newbies. Number 2. Brand name, Milo. Model number, L900 Pro. The L900 aerial photography drone injects powerful flight performance into a lightweight body. It can accompany you to travel at any time, with the easy-to-use app, to help you fly freely, create as you wish, and discover the beauty of the other side of familiar things. With folding arm, small size, easy to carry. ESC 4K HD wide-angle camera. Can be adjust 90 degrees angle by controller. With 13G Wi-Fi function can be connected app, take photos videos, real-time transmission through the phone camera image. GPS flight attendant. It offers you with exact positioning details of your drone. It will break the old way of taking photos and finding the cool new thing to do gestures to register your beauty. It was so quiet but very powerful while running. Breakdown rarely occurs and engine replacement is rarely required, which makes your flight more enjoyable. Number 1. Brand name, SJRC. Model number, F11 4K Pro. Experience the amazing 4K Ultra HD picture quality and 2-axis gimbal camera with deep contrast and vivid colors. Experience the incredible beauty of Ultra HD. Delivers amazing stability and picture quality. Photos are shot in 4K. With upgraded 2500 mAh smart battery, it provides up to 28 minutes of flight time. The drone can reach live video transmission 1900 to 3900 feet. Remote control range is as long as 4900 feet. Stronger GPS positioning, F11 4K Pro can hover stably, capture clearer images, and return home with precision. It is so quiet but very powerful when running. Working life is much more longer than brushed motors. Maintenance-free, which makes your flight more enjoyable. The upgraded quick-release propellers run with higher efficiency. This is a professional drones with camera for adults 4K. It has a very good stability, even if you are new to operate it very well. GPS follow me, tap fly, points of interest and other features to enjoy more interesting gameplay.